Shaanxi, China. Relentless floods have torn through the province, turning streets into rivers and forcing communities to confront a scale of destruction rarely seen. Wuqi County in Yan'an was hit especially hard as water surged through the city, leaving thick mud and debris piled across its main roads. Heavy machinery has been working around the clock to push back the mess. Bulldozers and sweepers scraped away layers of dirt, while sanitation crews cleared blockages that brought traffic to a halt. Officials reported that water supply lines were mostly restored, though power grids and smaller systems remain unstable. The damage has reached deep into the fabric of daily life. Neighborhoods once buzzing with shops and markets now sit silent, their storefronts shuttered and filled with sludge. Temporary shelters were set up, supported by emergency supplies that included folding beds, blankets, and towels sent from central authorities. One of the most dramatic losses came when floodwaters ripped through a local jewelry store. Display cases filled with gold, jade, silver, and diamonds were swept away in minutes. The owner estimated that more than 10 million yuan in stock had vanished, much of it carried downstream before workers and villagers could react. Videos showed people digging through the mud, searching desperately for what remained of the scattered valuables. Only a fraction was recovered, underscoring how fast and merciless the torrent moved. For many small businesses, this single event symbolized the financial blow dealt by the disaster. Agriculture across Shaanxi has also taken a punishing hit. Fields of corn and wheat lie flattened under muddy water, threatening months of work and putting farm incomes in jeopardy. Irrigation channels collapsed in several districts, and farmers are left waiting for the land to dry before they can even begin salvaging what's left. Transport infrastructure fared little better. Roads and rural highways were broken apart, leaving villages stranded and emergency vehicles rerouting across longer paths. Bridges cracked under the strain of rising currents, highlighting vulnerabilities in areas already short of reliable connectivity. Officials placed the province under a high-level flood emergency as the situation escalated. Teams armed with pumps, trucks, and excavators were deployed across the worst-hit areas. While the cleanup advanced in phases, progress was slowed by recurring rains and unstable soil threatening landslides. Still, local governments signaled that basic services are gradually coming back online. Schools used as temporary shelters have begun returning to their normal roles, though not all classrooms are ready. Utility crews reported steady success in restoring electricity and communication lines, vital for coordinating further relief. The overall picture remains one of both damage and determination. Communities that saw streets vanish under torrents are already organizing collective cleanups. Volunteers worked beside officials, clearing silt from courtyards and delivering supplies where trucks could not pass. Experts warn that such events highlight the growing pressure of extreme weather on inland provinces like Shaanxi. Unlike coastal regions used to typhoons, these interior areas often lack the same defenses. Calls are growing for stronger early warning systems and reinforced infrastructure to prepare for the storms of tomorrow. For now, the focus remains immediate. Restore safe roads, clear the mud, reopen businesses, and get farms working again. Behind the statistics lies a simple truth. The lives of thousands of families have been upended, and their path back to stability depends on how quickly recovery can keep pace with the destruction. Thanks for watching Severe Weather, where we break down the facts behind nature's most intense moments. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel going. Hit the bell so you never miss a real, calm, and clear report. Note, some footage in this video may be used for illustration and may not show the exact event described. See you in the next one. Stay informed, stay safe.